Are having a wonderful freaking day because I know I am. Today we're going to be talking about the trade that I took this morning. But before I get into all of that, I just want to give you guys the breakdown of my top to bottom analysis in the morning on how I planned and executed this trade. Um, First, I'm going to go over to the Discord. This is not open to the public yet, but I do post here every single morning about my plans and what my thoughts are on the market. If you guys want to just pause the video real quick and take a look about what I'm saying here. If not, I'm going to go over it real quick for those who just like listening. So first things first, coming into the morning, this was the displacement lower from Monday's session yesterday. I noticed we had a beautiful barcode, and on top of that, on the daily chart, we had already finished this sell model that we were participating in last week. So I was pretty bullish coming into this morning and want to see this thing actually deliver up to the 2,200s. It's going to take a lot of time to get there, but when you have a bias in mind, it makes doing things on the lower time frames a lot easier. All I did today was this. I would measure out this leg of displacement bullishly, and then I said I want to see price dip in, and this was overnight too when I was thinking about this idea. I wanted to see it dip into the median threshold of this price leg and absolutely get supported. When I woke up this morning, we did actually that in the overnight session. I marked out this 1 hour BISI, and then after that, I marked out the 1 hour order block. And I was doing two things. I want to just observe price within this area during the open and see if price supports it or pushes below. We could still be bearish. There's nothing off the table ever for me. It's just up to my interpretation. What am I seeing? How is the market responding to these variables? And how can I take a trade off of that? Then I zoomed into the 5-minute chart and noticed that at 9 o'clock we made a BISI. So I'm looking at this. I'm also looking at this order block as well now. But when you zoom into the 1-minute chart, and I'm going to switch the colors here because this yellow is just doing way too much. And this was the trade that I took. I actually took a precision turtle soup entry today, anticipating that these equal lows were actually going to get violated. Just for context again, this would be an accumulation area, okay? So notice we always kind of pair these kind of variables with each other. This is accumulation, this is the manipulation in this range, okay? Not holistically, but everything here is fractal, so you just kind of have to pay attention to kind of what I'm saying here. Let's make that white. This was the manipulation, and this is where I'm actually engaging with the market here. I want to engage with the market with a couple different variables. Now, what are those variables for me? In my specific trading plan, I like seeing price completely inverse the opposing side. So in this sense, if I'm turtle souping to go higher, I want to see this local SIBI get absolutely destroyed and trade through. Once I see it traded through and held as a green candle, I'm already in here. As soon as we trade above that, and then I'm simply going to be targeting the pre-market highs. In this case, it was 7 o'clock highs, and today I was able to take a little less than 60 points on the NQ. Now, if you can come into the morning and take 60 points just as soon as the morning opens, your day is completely done. That's a beautiful straight shot kill. On one mini, that's $1,200. If you're trading 5 micros, that's a $600 winner. There's no reason that you guys should be staying in more to trade more of this. Now, my other targets did just get hit recently, and there was a reason for that. You can measure out every single one of these legs, actually. So let's just say you didn't catch the morning trade, and you're upset. You're not upset, but you're looking to see this thing still move higher. If I were you, I would simply measure that opening price leg. The opening price is from 9:30 up until 10 o'clock. Once you get that, you can just measure the high and low. Notice we dip into this order block. I'm just going to mark this as a breaker. It's a little bit easier for people instead of just using the single line. And notice how price supports, displaces above, and then after that, we get another push. You can measure the second leg after that, 50%, mark out this SIBI, or this BISI, apologies. Then after that, we get more displacement. So you can fill off of any of these PD arrays here. It's just really what you're looking for. If you're bullish, you just have to align those two things, time, and then it has to be in discount. If it's in discount of a really nice price leg, you can take a trade. But yeah, this was my trade this morning. Super nice 60-point trade here. Not overextending or anything, just kind of taking what's available and then being content with that, guys. You don't need to overstay your welcome in the market. Honestly, if you hit your trade for the morning, even if it's a 30, 40, 50, be content with less, right? Those bigger days that you see on social media will come your way, but you're not ready for that. If you're watching this, you might not be ready for that. You could be ready for that. However, the point I'm trying to get past is take base hit trades, learn how to read price and execute on price. Don't worry about the big point plays because they will come when they're available to you. Today, this is all that I saw that was available. How I'm super bullish, super bullish. I could hold this for the rest of the session. But for me, I like trading super short term. I don't want to be in for more than 10 minutes if I don't have to be. And this is a testament to those ideas. Nice little 10-point trade, in and out, and now I can go on about my day. I work 9 to 6. I work a full-time job. I don't have time to sit on the charts every single day, but from 8:30, I'm already tape reading. I'm developing a plan so when 9:30 happens, I can either continue what the market is giving me available or I can play the reversal. It's that simple. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I appreciate you for guys for being here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the whole video. Ask questions in the comments if you're new. Make sure you give a like and subscribe. I'm really trying to push out more content for you guys. Just trying to level up here. So keep on sharpening your guys' iron. Keep on getting better every single day. 1% at a time, baby.